Hello and welcome to this week's craft. This week's craft is going to be a marshmallow snowman on a sled. Let's get into it. Now in the bag that you're going to get from the library, you will have your snowman body and head, your graham cracker, your chocolate, your sled runners, scarf, hat, your instructions, which are very important, strings for ornament and the sled, buttons, 2 arms, hands, and last but not least, a little snowman nose. Okay, so step 1, get your graham cracker, and then glue the bottom of the chocolate to your graham cracker. After you are done doing that, go ahead and smush the chocolate extra hard onto the graham cracker. Then go ahead and flip it over, and then glue the ribbon to the left and right side of the graham cracker, and then squish them down. After that, get your sled runners, glue the tops of them, and then go ahead and smush them down to the sled. After that, we're just going to let the sled dry for a bit. Time to build our snowman. First, let's make the hands and arms. Now what you want to do is take the smaller pipe cleaner and just twist it once, maybe twice on the longer pipe cleaner. And then you'll have a hand at the end of an arm. Go ahead and take the pipe cleaner and put it into the body of the snowman and, just make it look like an arm on the body of a snowman. Now on to the buttons. Go ahead and glue both the buttons up and down the snowman's body. Now be careful with the body while moving it because the glue has still not really dried yet. Now let's go ahead and work on the snowman's head. First, let's get the carrot nose and glue it on. Next, we're going to go ahead and glue the innards of the hat and then just put it on his head. Then glue the bottom of his neck, squish it down on the body, and then put a scarf around it. And there we go, we have a marshmallow snowman and his beautiful sled. Thanks for watching.